Quick! We have to clean it! It's spreading everywhere!
Whoa!
What happened here? Why is the whole house full of bubbles?
Be good while we're gone.
We promise, Dad.
We promise, Dad. Jasmine, let's do something fun.
Yes, let's go. Let's add a little shampoo.
Make it super bubbly. Whoa, look at all these bubbles.
It's getting huge.
Look at my bubble hat.
You look so funny.
Jason, why is it coming out? Uh-oh. Our living room is full of bubbles. This is crazy. This is so much fun.
Look at all the bubbles.
Go back! Go back! Jason, it's getting worse. Wait. Mom and Dad are coming back. Oh no! We have to clean this. Quick! We have to clean it! It's spreading everywhere!
Whoa!
What happened here? Why is the whole house full of bubbles?
Jason, Jasmine, what did you do?
We're sorry, Dad. We didn't know there would be so many bubbles.
Having fun is okay, but you must think before you act.
And always help clean your mess.
We're sorry, Dad. We promise. That was the biggest bubble adventure ever!
Next time, keep the bubbles in the bathroom.